Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Religion Matters Hub, where we discuss important topics of faith. Today, we will talk about a very special and significant subject, the characteristics of the people of paradise and hell, as narrated by Imam Nawawi. Let's explore what the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us about the attributes of the people of paradise and hell. Imam Nawawi, may Allah have mercy on him, narrated a hadith from Sahih Bukhari, which is both meaningful and full of lessons. It was narrated by Hazrat Haritha bin Wahb, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Shall I not tell you about the people of paradise? Every weak person whom others consider weak, but if he swears by Allah, Allah will fulfill his oath." Then the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Shall I not tell you about the people of hell? Every harsh, arrogant person who looks down on others." In this hadith, we are told about the characteristics of the people of paradise and hell. Let's delve into these traits in detail. The Prophet, peace be upon him, described the people of paradise as those who may appear weak. They may not have wealth, they might be physically weak or socially considered of low status. However, their taqwa, piety, and their relationship with Allah make them so beloved to Him that if they swear by Allah, He fulfills their oath. There is an incident mentioned in the hadith where two women quarreled and one broke the tooth of the other. According to Islamic law, it was ruled that a tooth should be broken in return. However, the guardian of the guilty person, trusting in Allah, said, "By Allah, her tooth will not be broken." As a result, the injured woman forgave the other, and Allah fulfilled that person's oath. It is essential to note here that Allah fulfills the oaths of His beloved servants, who may appear insignificant in the eyes of the world but hold a high rank in the sight of Allah. Now, let's move to the traits of the people of hell. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Every harsh, arrogant person who looks down on others will be in hell." In this part, the Prophet, peace be upon him, mentioned three key traits found in the people of hell. Harshness. People who are harsh in their speech, do not show gentleness, and treat others with harshness. Arrogance. Those who are arrogant, thinking themselves to be superior and others inferior. They are proud of their wealth, status, or physical strength and look down on others. Boasting. People who constantly boast about their achievements and feel joy in belittling others. This principle is also highlighted in the Quran. When the disbelievers of Makkah told the Prophet, peace be upon him, that they were willing to listen to him, but on the condition that he removes the poor people who sit with him, Allah revealed the following, "And do not send away those who call upon their Lord morning and evening, seeking His pleasure." Al-An'am 52. Allah established the principle that those who seek the truth cannot be judged based on their wealth or social status. From this hadith and the verses of the Quran, we learn that, in the sight of Allah, the standard is taqwa and humility, not worldly status. Those who are considered humble and weak in this world may be the most beloved to Allah. We should not judge others based on their outward appearance, but rather on their actions and their relationship with Allah. That was today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Religion Matters Hub and press the bell icon to get notifications for all our new videos. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.